Is your Toyota Hilux key fob not working? Common symptoms include an unresponsive remote, a key symbol or open case indicator on your dashboard, or intermittent functionality. The battery is often the culprit. You'll likely need a CR23-2 or CR2450 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Check your owner's manual or the part number 00016-00135 for CR2032 compatibility. Other tools, a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized key fob opener tool. Wearing gloves is recommended to keep the contacts clean. Avoid water and extreme temperatures. Carefully pry open the key fob case using the screwdriver, inserting it into the seam. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation, usually positive side up. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity. Snap the case back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to lock and unlock the car. If it still doesn't work, the issue might be with the vehicle's receiver module or the key blade, requiring professional reprogramming at a dealership.